1791, taxi.
United 1791, runway 24 left, taxi, Echo Short of Yankee.
Echo Short of Yankee for 24 left, United 1791.
JetBlue 1388, disconnect south of 18 Alpha. I'm going to push that one out of the alley in front of you.
Say that again, please, for 1388.
I said disconnect, but I should have said disconnect. South of 18 Alpha. I'm going to push southwest out of the alley in front of you.
Okay, we'll do. We'll push south of 18A for JetBlue 1388.
Don't worry, everybody's making fun of me for it right now.
No worries.
United 1791, monitor tower 133.9.
Alright, you still want sort of Delta 10 or up full length?
Echo full length, thank you.
Echo full length, monitor tower, good day, United 1791.
United 1791, LA Tower reports departing 737 in sight, runway 24 left, line of the way.
Traffic in sight, live way 24 left, United 1791.
United 1791, maintain visual separation, Arnav Del Rey, wind 240 at 9er, gust 15, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
Maintain visual, Arnav Del Rey, clear for takeoff, 24 left, United 1791.
United 1791, contact SoCal Departure, have a good flight.
SoCal Departure, United 1791, good day.
Oh, sorry about that.
And a water?
Yes, please.
Ice with your water?
No, it's okay.
Once again, we thank you for flying United. We are on the ground in San Francisco here shortly.